Casey. Just coming to make another video of things I've been listening to. And right now, in the background, we're listening to the String Quartet Tribute to Panic at the Disco Pretty Odds CD. I like these string quartet. They make them for a ton of bands. Every time I see them, I try to pick them up. So, anyways, this is what I've been listening to for the last little while that I've been really digging. First thing is another CD. I'll show you Bjork Live box set. This is pretty cool. So, box. So what it is the book comes with it, some pictures and some live photos. So all the discs are in this. So it's the, I believe, first 5 albums of Bjork. So this is Bjork post live, so the whole album done live. And it's mostly like real instruments too, so they all come in individual sleeves. That's post. This is debut live. Homogenic live. So it's the first 4 albums. And Vespertine live. And then this is live box bonus DVD. So I thought that was a pretty cool box and found it. Really liking it. It's really cool. If you like Bjork and you've never heard these live albums, find it, because it's different and it's pretty extraordinary. It's really good. I've also been listening to this a lot. This is Cure live concert. This was came out in I can't read it. My eyes are shit. So most of the tracks are all recorded in May of '84. So there's Shake Dog Shake, Primary, Charlotte Sometimes, Hanging Garden, Give Me It, The Walk, 100 Years of Forest, 10:15 Saturday Night, and Killing an Arab. And they're all recorded in London or Oxford, '84. Also, I've been listening to this a few times this week. Country Joe and the Fish on Vanguard. My copy's a little beat. lot. I wrote this when I was 19. So it's seen some better days. But I never seen another copy since I bought this one. I pulled this out and was listening to this. This is Jethro Tull's Minstrel in a Gallery. It's a good album. This is, I wouldn't say his best album, but it has some pretty strong sections in it. Some pretty decent songs, and then there's a couple that are just like, they're alright. Side 2, I think, is the better side, but it's just me. And I pulled it. I've been listening to some Frank Zappa lately too. This is Apostrophe on the Street. This is the one with Don't Eat Yellow Snow. It was a good album. There's a lot of great songs in here, but honestly I don't think it's his best. It's not my favorite anyways. It's good though. Frank Zappa. And Overnight Sensation. I really like this album too. Keith Gold. I believe this is Discreet too. Discreet. Really need to start looking at, see if these are, anyways, and I listened to some ZZ Top. I really like this era of ZZ Top. And they're from this album back at the beginning when they still didn't really have any beards. It was on Warner Brothers. Yeah, so this I throw a couple in there, show you a few of the things I've been listening to. This Country Joe and the Fish. I've forgotten how amazing this album was. I need to find another copy. It's been so long since I listened to this album. ever see a copy, grab it. It's fabulous listen. I just want to thank you, everybody, for watching. And thanks again. Bye.